Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by establishing a neutral reference so your ears can judge truthfully. First, verify the pickup and preamp polarity and trim any phase switches. This prevents cancellations. Once done, set the amp or die flat with 0 boosts and low volume so you hear the instrument, not the room. Next, move to the playing position and pluck open strings to locate boomy resonances and thin frequency zones. Make note of 1 or 2 problem frequencies before touching EQ. Now you isolate trouble areas with purposeful actions. Use a narrow Q boost and sweep slowly to find the boom or honk, usually between 100 and 400 Hz. This tells you where to cut. Once located, cut 3 to 6 dB with a medium Q to tame it, and then play both arco and pizzicato to ensure natural tone. For clarity, add a gentle boost around 1 to 3 kHz. This brings articulation without sounding stringy. Make incremental changes, then rest your ears and reevaluate. Finish by dialing in context-aware tweaks and verifying performance readiness. Use broad shelving EQ for overall warmth or air, but keep boosts to 1 or 2 dB so you don't lose dynamics. Once set, raise volume to performance level and listen in the band mix. Make sure the bass sits without masking other instruments. If feedback emerges, notch the exact feedback frequency or reduce pickup/mic gain and reposition for phase relief. If tone feels thin, revisit the 100-400 Hz region and slightly reduce cuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.